After a brain injury, life can be hard. You want to be able to do what you could do before the brain injury, and it's frustrating when you can't do what you could do. So you push to do more. But after a brain injury, often our brains need to work harder. Processing speed may be a little bit slower. So going back to school can be more difficult. Work can be more difficult. Even normal conversations can be more difficult. And if you push your brain too hard after an injury, it tends to short circuit. It tends to even shut down at times. You can become irritable and agitated and extremely fatigued if you do too much after a brain injury. Your brain is like a battery. Batteries need to be recharged. And if you don't recharge the battery, it tends to shut down. So what's the best way to recharge our brain batteries? Brain breaks. It is super helpful to take brain breaks. That means you go take a time out, like for 5 minutes. You go to a quiet, restful place. And it's especially good to take a brain break about every hour. And don't wait till you're totally crashed. Don't wait till you're extremely fatigued. Take it regularly. Another really helpful thing to do after a brain injury to avoid fatigue and shutdown is to not do too much in your day. Schedule your day, plan it, plan those things you want to do. Don't plan too much, especially soon after your injury. Gradually increase as you find you're able to do more, and in your schedule, plan the brain breaks. Brain injury, it is important to stimulate your brain. Your brain has plasticity, or the ability to improve after an injury. But to improve, you need to stimulate it. You need to work your brain. So it's this balancing act of stimulating your brain and then resting your brain. Stimulating your brain and then getting more rest. And I can't tell you exactly what is right for you. You need to find that. After an injury, immediately after an injury, you need more rest. It's kind of like if we break our leg or break our arm, we're able to cast it and rest it and allow it to heal. We really can't cast our brain, so you need to plan those rest times immediately after the injury in particular. As you get further out and recover more, you can do more, but it still is important to not do too much too soon and to get those brain breaks in regularly.